Hello folks, if you found this information informative and would like to know more about how to hunt Alaska for under $3,500, the link is down below in the bio and over in the comment section. It's a 3-day course, an hour and a half long, where I go over the exact steps that you need to know from the second you arrive to the boats that you need to use, or even the contingency plans you need to have, and set yourself up where you can revisit Alaska. Here's a little tip for you. No Alaska resident spends $3,500 on any hunt in Alaska. I know the strategy. I'm here to teach it to you. We go over Google Maps. I'll show you how to make a KMZ file and a KML file on Google Maps that you can download and take with you, share with your friends, strategize how this works before you actually show up in Alaska. This information is not found anywhere else, and especially not on social media or YouTube. This is a one-of-a-kind course by me. No one else is teaching this. I've been a resident of Alaska for over 30 years, a federally licensed Alaska bush pilot with my own plane. I've owned and still have many different boats, from ocean boats to jet boats. I know exactly how to do this, and I want to teach you all to do it and bypass the traditional systems of transporters and air taxi services. Their pricing has gone stupid silly and is over the roof now. It's time for an alternative way to hunt Alaska. And by the way, that's just called getting back to basics. I look forward to seeing you in my next live 3-day course. The link is down below in my bio, and it's also in the comment section. I look forward to seeing you there. Gonna have a good time. And if that's not enough, join the Elite Hunter Strategy Group, where I go over information on a weekly basis live for 1 hour. You get to ask me questions there each week. It's just me. I put up camp and got a fire going. Life's pretty good. I'm excited. I seen a big bull in the valley. I'm in moose camp. How cool is that, huh? Well, stay tuned.